Hello, and thank you for taking the time to view the PowerInspect tutorials. We've created them to help you create an inspection program and familiarize yourself with the inspection process when using PowerInspect. First, let's give you a quick overview of the different inspection devices you can use with PowerInspect and the type of measurements these devices are best suited to. Manual articulated arms are portable devices that are easily transportable and suited to a wide range of measurement processes. They're often used for measuring assemblies, sheet metal parts, and fabrications. Non-contact scanning systems such as laser scanners are used for rapid measurement of complex surfaces or parts that can easily deform if contact measurement were used. These types of scanning systems are sometimes fitted to articulated arms, or they may have a separate tracking device to locate them in space. For measurement of larger parts and assemblies, laser trackers are an ideal solution. They are portable and provide accurate measurements when the scanning volume is large. CNC coordinate measuring machines, also known as CMMs, are the industry standard for high accuracy automated inspection. These devices are equally well suited to measuring prismatic or complex freeform parts. Inspection using machine tools is now becoming commonplace in engineering. Designed for use in subtractive manufacturing processes, machine tools are increasingly being used with high accuracy, three-dimensional inspection probes for on-machine verification and adaptive software fixturing applications. To use the full capabilities of PowerInspect, CAD Based Inspection is recommended. This allows us to interactively pick features from CAD, automatically extracting the feature nominal data. We can compare our measurements to the nominal data for the feature and display the deviations in a report. PowerInspect is also very proficient at inspection without CAD. Using the built-in tools, we can manually enter any nominal data taken from 2D drawings if required. This versatile approach means you can still measure a part even if you do not have a CAD file or drawing.